नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा, प्रोग्राम BA B.Ed 6M, कोर्स नेम Pedagogy of Social Science, University name Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I welcome to all. Today I am discussing session curriculum as addressed in NCF 2005. National curriculum formation. National curriculum formation is very important of all India education formation. We are features, recommendations and overall are in NCF 2005. Curriculum as addressed in NCF 2005. The fourth NCF publication NCERT NCF 2005 is based its policies and provisions government reports on education such as learning without burden and national policy of education 1986 to 1992 and focus group discussion. The NCF 2005 serves as guideline for the schools in India. The NCF 2005 and its offshoot textbooks have come under different forms of reviews in the press. Its draft document was criticized by the Central Advisory Board of Education CABE in Feb 2008. Krishna Kumar, the director of NCERT, also discussed the challenges faced by the document in any matter views the syllabus and textbooks based on it are being used by all the CBSE schools and multiple state schools. NCF 2005 has been translated into 22 languages and has influenced the syllabus in 17 states. The NCERT provided a grant of 10 lakh to all states to promote NCF in their local language and to compare its current syllabus with the syllabus proposed, so that a plan for future reforms could be made. This exercise is being executed with the support of state councils for educational research and training SCIERT and district institution of education and training DIET. Components of NCF 2005. Perspective of NCF National Curriculum Formation 2005. The NCF was formed considering the articulated ideas in the past, such as to shift learning from rote method. Rote learning is memorization technique based on repetition. Learning include associate all activities. First component is to shift learning from rote method. Perspective of NCF Learning and knowledge. Curricular area, school stages and assessment. School and classroom environment, systematic reforms, connecting knowledge to life outside the school, to integrated examination into classroom learning and make it more flexible. To enrich the curriculum so that it goes beyond textbooks, neutering, and overriding. Why NCF are important? Identified, informed by caring concerns within the democratic policy of the country. To reform present school education, inflexibility of school practice, learning becomes isolated activity than life. School discouraging creative thinking, neglecting whole personality of child, neglecting present of child of future. The present NCF purpose 5 guiding principles for curriculum development. Connecting knowledge to life outside the school, ensuring that learning shifts away from rote methods. Enriching the curriculum so that it goes beyond textbooks. Making examinations more flexible and integrating them with classroom life, and neutering on overriding identity, informed by caring concerns within the democratic policy of the country. The NCF 2005 well framed keeping the above mentioned guiding principles as to implements many good ideas that have already been articulated in the past. What are the principles? We are discussing the principles of NCF 2005. What is the role of the teacher? What is the role of the teacher to guiding the NCF 2005? The NCF 2005 of India expects a teacher to be a facilitator of children's learning in a manner that helps children to construct knowledge. Apart from instructional roles as collaborator and facilitator, a teacher functions today as a learner, counselor, manager, assessor, and innovator also. On the one hand, a teacher is seen as co-constructor of knowledge, and on the others as a participant in the construction of syllabi, textbooks, and teaching learning materials. But such multifaceted roles requires a comprehensive understanding of curriculum, subject content, and pedagogy as well as the community. School structure and management. Apart from instructional roles as collaborator and facilitator, a teacher functions today as a learner, counselor, manager, assessor, and innovator. Overall, innovative thoughts and ideas create through teacher. Learner are very active, but teacher are guide, philosopher, and a friend, and they motivate their learner and build up their overall dynamic personality. Silent features of NCF 2005: connecting knowledge to life outside school, ensuring that students do not just learn mechanically without thinking, enriching the curriculum so that goes beyond textbooks, integrating exams with classroom life to make them more flexible. So NCF addressed all India to 10th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th syllabus. Focus on innovative, creator, overall learners, dynamic personality development of learner. Thanks.